Hi guys, happy Wednesday, and let's continue our Forex technical analysis for swing trading. Okay, as you guys know, let's start with the USD index chart, and last 2 weeks were really interesting. Originally the trend was down and USD was weak, but over the last 2 weeks trend has reversed and majority of the market is hanging out above the yellow moving average line, and price wise at least more than 50% of the price leg is above the yellow moving average line. So that confirms that trend has reversed and USD is getting stronger right now. So that means we're gonna look for opportunities to buy USD. So we have nice up leg like this. Market should soon retrace a little bit and return into original uptrend. So let's write it down. USD index trend is up. Our decision is to look for opportunities to buy USD. Now let's analyze the Forex pairs. So we have USD Japan Yen. So we have up leg, retracement, up leg. Now market should retrace like this and return into original uptrend like this. So we're gonna wait at least the 50% retracement zone here. Once the market retraces into a good zone, start buying USD Japan Yen. If that is the case, set your stop loss below the local minimum and set your take profit at the Fibonacci extension 1.618 up here. Your risk and reward ratio should be at least around 1 to 2. Okay, so let's write it down and just take a look at the overall picture. You see, overall trend is up, longer term trend is still up, which aligns nicely with this up movement, and right now we just need the market to retrace into 50% zone here. That would be a perfect opportunity to buy USD. Alright, let's write it down. USD Japan Yen trend is up, leg size is nice, and our decision is to wait 50% retracement. USD Canada dollar. So same thing. So we have majority of the market is hanging out above the yellow moving average line. That means trend is definitely up. So we have up leg, retracement, up leg. Market should retrace soon. And once it reaches into 50% retracement zone, we will start buying loonie. Until that, we're gonna wait good zone. Okay, let's write it down. USD Canada dollar, loonie trend is up, leg size is nice, and our decision is to wait the market retrace at least 50%, then we will buy USD. So USD Schweizer franc. So here, so we have plenty of candles hanging out above the yellow moving average line, but if you compare the price wise relative to positions of moving average, the majority, more than 50% of the candles price wise hanging out below the yellow moving average line, right? So that means market is still faking out. Overall trend is down like this, market is faking out, and USD is not strong against Schweizer franc. So we have the conflicting stories right now. That means we're not gonna force any trade. Okay, let's write it down. USD Schweizer franc, market is downtrend. Currently it's doing the fake out, which conflicts with the USD index chart, and that's why we're not gonna force any trade. Okay, Euro USD. So Euro USD, as you guys know, originally market was behaving up, retracement up. When the market retraced about the 50% zone here, I bought Euro USD risking 0.6% of my account, right? I set my stop loss below the local minimum here because at this point the USD was weak. That was a perfect execution to buy Euro USD. Now trend has reversed and a lot of candles, majority of the candles are hanging out below the yellow moving average line. It hit my stop loss here and now the trend has reversed, and which is seen on the USD index chart. Trend has reversed. Euro USD hit my stop loss. That is a perfect execution of my trading system. Now I just need the market to go down a little bit. Then market should retrace into retracement zone, at least the 50% zone here. That would be a good time to buy USD. Until that, we're gonna wait. So let's write it down. Euro USD trend is down. I close it 0.6% buy position, which is a perfect execution of my trading system. Our decision is to wait until market retraces into good zone. So by the way, so far USD Japan Yen, USD Canada Dollar looks best in terms of trend strength. Okay, Aussie. So here Aussie, we have original trend is up, retracement up, retracement up, retracement up. Market is currently retracing. Not enough candles are down below the yellow moving average line price wise. That means the trend is still up. USD is weak against Australian dollar. So since we have the conflicting stories, we're not gonna force any trade. So let's write it down. Aussie trend is up. Market is currently doing fake out. Overall, this information is conflicting with the USD index chart. That's why we're not gonna force any trade on Aussie. Okay, New Zealand dollar USD. So here we have, as you guys can see, majority of the candles are hanging out below the yellow moving average line. Trend is clearly down. USD is strong. Down, retracement down, retracement down, retracement down. And now best decision is to wait until the market to retrace at least the 50 to 60% zone here. That would be a perfect opportunity to buy USD. Until that, we gotta wait. So let's write it down. New Zealand dollar USD trend is down, meaning USD is getting stronger. Leg size is nice. Our decision is to wait 50% retracement. Alright guys, so what do we see overall last few weeks? So USD has been weak last few weeks. As of today, October 8th, trend has reversed. Now USD is strong and we're gonna look for opportunities to buy USD. So right now USD Japan Yen, Loonie, New Zealand dollar USD looks best in terms of the retracement trend, and now we just have to wait the market to retrace into a good zone. Alright guys, be patient and see you guys next time.